How to change ringtone on iPhone. To change ringtones on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you are here, you will now be able to access all the primary settings of your phone. Now, scroll down a little and find the Sounds and Haptics option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, you can change your ringtones. You can also use the volume buttons to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Now, tap on the ringtone option. You can either set the ringtone from Tone Store or you can download all the purchased tones. Or to select for free, scroll down the list and search from the default ringtones. Then, select your favorite ringtone from the list. As you can see, you have successfully changed the ringtone. By following these simple steps, you can easily change ringtone on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.